Ithabu ria mabilioni ma mbeca cia muingi iria ciorire mihuko-ini ya turia nime utongoria-ini wa President Uhuru Kenyatta rigithiaga na mbere na kuongerereka hakuhi o muthenya. Thirikari riu ni yuritie ruhonge rwa igoti rumiteithiririe kuhurana na ungumania.
And we are asking for the cooperation of our judiciary so that we can put this matter to rest once and for all.
Let's stop the blame game. When Ciiko is not interested in who is doing what, when Ciiko is not interested in being told that the evidence that was presented before court was not good enough for a conviction.
Onjoria aria mekiritwo ithabu-ini ria uici wa mbeca cia arimi ni ministry ya urimi ni meyumiritie gwitetera. No minister wa urimi Mwangi wa Kionjori oigite ati gutire kindu gikumwenyenya wirutiri-ini wake wa kurwa na ungumania.
Some of these MPs have been to my office. They know the whole truth. For the last 2 months I've been working closely with them, telling them what is happening. But now wanajua wameona watu ya kuchokola. Ati ukiticha waziri anarudi nyumbani. Hapana, mimi hata nikitolewa sitarudi nyumbani.
Kama hawa watu ni wakubwa sana, wanazidi hata kwa makoti zetu, tutaetea fertilizer yetu na hawa farmers kwa hizo maboma zao zile wanajenga kubwa kule Nairobi.
So issue ino ya gutwika ate bebe ciekwo nyingi in Kenya ni thirikari etekire mathabu mayo yarugametie ku import bebe mweri wa kenda igicoka ki extend igitindi kuri andu acio menda kuri indo ciene metagia andu angi unscrupulous people and unscrupulous traders make extend bebe ikigiha thini wa bururi.
Thutha wa Kenya kurakaria ni mutongoria wa ODM Raila Odinga uria ukoragwo ri muhari-ini wa mbere kugiriria ungumania, riu ni ayumiritie na aroiga ati wiguithanio wa ngeithi ciake na President Uhuru Kenyatta wahete ithenya ria mwanya mbara ya ungumania, na arenda President Uhuru Kenyatta atie gicunji kiu kia wiguithanio ucio.
The corrupt people having stolen public funds don't care a damn. What they want is their freedom. They will do anything to remain free.
We are running after small fish or rats. Kenyans, although they deny they don't have corruption, but they want to see big people. Whatever the definition of a big person is, they want to see those people jailed.
Wale wote ambao wanajua wewe si mkulima lakini umetafuta mahindi sijui kutoka wapi, umepeleka katika store ya serious board na ile pesa mkulima angelipwa, wewe umelipwa, chuma chako kimotoni.
President Uhuru Kenyatta agithiaga na mbere na gukira iguru ria itena riri rieru ria ungumania. Akenya matiganite ni matabanitie mirurungano kiumia giukite kuma muthenya wa Aramithi, mirurungano iria moigite ati ni gicunji kia mbere kia Kenya makioya matamu ma kuhurana na ungumania o enyewe. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, njitagwo Waweru wa Nyambura.